Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any updates.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my review about this Vedic line gold facial. So this is how it looks. I got it from Glamigo box and since then I have been using this as my facial kit, and it is like little different from the facial kit I used to use to do facials, and my hair is coming on my way. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. Let me just show you. I've used it like twice till now, and still I can feel that yes, I can still use it 2 more times. So this is all the packet I got. Let's just talk about cleanser. Cleanser is normal. First of all, the fragrance is amazing, you guys. It is a normal yet very moisturizing cleanser. That's what I felt. It felt pretty normal yet moisturizing, and so far I liked it, and the fragrance is dying for it. I loved fragrance, guys. So that's what I felt for this. And the serum, let me tell you first that the serum is really harsh. If you do it very roughly, you can get hurt. Like the particles of this scrub is quite strong for my skin, at least. I'm such a person who doesn't like that mild scrub, so I always make sure that I buy a strong scrub. Like always buy strong scrub, if that makes any sense. Like not mild one, okay? But this one is too harsh. Like this one is, it feels like you are ripping your skin, like if you do it very roughly. So be gentle with this one. That's what I felt. And fragrance is very good. Okay, so let's talk about the step 3, which is cream. And so far it is very moisturizing, guys. Like the cream is very moisturizing. And you know what, the fragrance, all of the fragrance are dying for. All of the fragrance is so good that it feels really refreshing. The fragrance are really refreshing, and the cream, this cream is very moisturizing. When you apply it and massage it, you will be satisfied with this. Like I love the cream. It is very moisturizing, and I felt good. There's nothing else I can say about it because it is pretty much felt like what the cream should be. But the fragrance is very good and it is very much moisturizing, not drying at all. Number 4 is massage gel. Now I really like the fact that it comes in a gel form, as it is massage gel, it says. The fragrance, don't even ask me, the fragrance is awesome, and the gel is cooling. Like you feel like you're in heaven. Like let me tell you, I really like how it feels really cooling, really refreshing. And when you know when the beautician massages your skin, it feels like heaven because of the fact that it is really cooling. This is one of my favorite out of all, one of my favorite. Face pack. Now the face pack I felt not that special. Like it is normal, like as it should be, as it is, like as it should be. It is not anything that I am really looking forward. I also like this face mask, but it is in a gel form. So again, gel form face mask I love. I like the fact that it comes in a gel form, but it is a normal face pack like others, and it is thick. The consistency is thick. It has gold. It looks like, seems like it has gold particle in it. So far I like the face mask. It is a good face mask. I won't exaggerate by saying a lot of things about it. It is a normal, good moisturizing face mask. You won't feel that your skin is drying out after applying it, and I feel good. There is nothing I would say that it is different from others. It is a good face mask. And last but not the least, I love the moisturizing serum. Naturally, I don't like moisturizer. I'm not a person who use moisturizer a lot because I sweat a lot, so moisturizer I don't use that much. Really, I'm a digger for thin moisturizer, light moisturizer, gel moisturizer, serum kind of moisturizer, and it is like this. It is a serum moisturizer and it feels good. It is thick, okay? It is not thin, by the way, it is thick. And when you apply it, you have to take just little amount of it, not a lot, then apply it to your face and neck, and you're good to go. It is not something which is you should use a lot. Already it is thick, so you don't want to use a lot of it. If you sweat like me, then big no to a lot of product of any moisturizer. So yeah, that is what 6 tips. Overall, I felt this facial kit little different than the facial kit I used to use, because it is cooling, it is very much, the fragrance is awesome, and the serum, the goldenish face mask, like little golden particles in it and everything, it is little different from what I used, so I really liked it. Overall, it is a very good facial kit. That is what my opinion would be. If you want to buy it, definitely go ahead and buy it. You won't feel it is not worth buying. So in case you want to buy it, you can definitely go and buy it. And if I find a link, definitely link into the description box so that you can directly go to the link and buy the product. That is all what I felt about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. And I shall see you super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.